Hello students, welcome to my channel Rishit Academy. In this video, I am going to start class 10th new chapter quadratic equations. Right. So first of all, what is the general form of the quadratic equation? See, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right. Since this is equation, so I am writing equal to. Right. So see here, where this A, B and C are any real numbers. Okay, and there is one more condition that this A should not be equal to 0. Why? Because see, if I substitute the value of 0 here, what happens? This complete x squared term will be vanished from here. Only bx plus c will be there, and that is not the quadratic equation. When do we say the given equation is quadratic? When the highest power of the variable is 2, then only we can say that is a quadratic equation. This topic we already learnt in polynomials. So మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే you can watch my video list. In that I have clearly explained you what is quadratic equations. Next I am going to start your first exercise problems. Complete exercise 5.1 I will be explaining in this video. Okay, so see here. So your first question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. So we need to check the given equations are quadratic or not. Problem is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So just we need to check whether this is the quadratic equation or not. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So after solving this, if I am getting in this form, then I will say that the given equation is quadratic equation. Right. So first we will solve this. See, if you observe this, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Right. So we will make use of that identity. First I will solve left hand side. So left hand side what I have? X plus 1 whole square. Okay. When I expand this, a square plus 2 into a into b is 1 plus again b square is 1 square. So what I will get here? X square plus 2 ones are 2 into x is 2x plus 1. This is my left hand side. Now I will solve the right hand side part. So what is there in the right hand side? 2 into x minus 3. Simply I need to multiply this 2 with this x as well as with this 3. So 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 6. So this is my RHS. Now x square plus 2x plus 1, that is my LHS, and equal to what is the RHS value? 2x minus 6. Right. Now what I will do? See here, general form. In general form, right hand side should be only 0. So here also what I will do? This complete two terms I will bring left hand side such that on right hand side there will be only 0. Right. So x square as it is plus 2x plus 1. See, minus 2x. When this plus 2x comes this side, that will become minus 2x, and then this minus 6 will become plus 6. Right. So now we will add the like terms. X square term is only 1, therefore I will write as it is. Now here you observe 2x is there, and here one more 2x is there. One is positive and the other one is negative, so plus and minus gets cancelled. Right. So now we'll add the constant terms. 1 plus 6 is 7. equal to 0. So this is my final answer after solving these two equations. So you should check for only x square term. If it is there, then that is a quadratic equation, right? So in the similar way, now here see, second bit is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x, right? So now same way I'll solve this. First I'll try to solve the left hand side. Left hand side there is nothing to solve, already solve చేసే ఉంది ఇది x square minus 2x, so nothing can be done. Now what I'll do, I'll solve the right hand side. So left hand side as it is I'll write x square minus 2x, right hand side minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x. That's it. Now what I'll do, I'll bring these minus 6 and plus 2x left hand sides, right? So probably x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Now I'll try to add the like terms here. See, x square will be as it is, okay? Now if you observe here, minus 2x and minus 2x both have same signs, so I should add this, but sign will be negative only. Minus 2x is total minus 4x. Then comes constant term plus 6 equal to 0. Now you compare this with the general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See here, I am having x square term, so therefore this is a quadratic equation. Yes, right? Okay, now the next bit, third bit, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So for this what we should do? Same thing, right? So first we will solve the left hand side. See here, this first term with this complete bracket term, x into x plus 1 minus again this minus 2 into same x plus 1 is equal to, on right hand side also, this x into this complete x plus 3 term and then minus 1 into again this x plus 3 term. Okay, now multiply this. X into x is x square plus x 1 is x minus 2x, here minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to x into x is here x square plus 3x minus 1 into x is minus 1 minus x, here minus 3, right? Now simplify here. See, only one x square term and having two x terms, so one is minus 2x and plus x is, I'll get minus x, 2x లోంచి 1x పోతే only x, minus 2 is equal to x square, ఇక్కడ కూడా like terms, 3x లోంచి ఒక x పోతే I'll get plus 2x, y plus sign means bigger number sign, okay, then minus 3. Okay, now I'll bring all these three terms left hand side. So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, x square minus x minus 2 as it is ఉంటుంది, ఇది this will become minus x square, this will become minus 2x and this will become plus 3 is equal to 0. Now if you observe, plus x square minus x square gets cancelled, so only x term will be there. X minus x and minus 2x is both have same sign, therefore we should add but keep the sign minus only, minus 3x, minus 2 plus 3, so we'll get 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is my final equation after solving this. Now you need to check whether this is a quadratic equation. Straight away here no x square term, therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so now we will solve the next bit, fourth bit. So see here, fourth and fifth bit I have already solved just now, so I'll explain it. See, what is the fourth bit here? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1, that is equal to x into x plus 5. So same thing for this also, we need to simplify this. So this x into this complete 2x plus 1 term, then minus 3 into again this complete 2x plus 1 term, that is equal to x into x plus 5, right? So now we multiply this. X into 2x is 2x square, then x into 1 is x only, then afterwards 3 minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x, then minus into plus is minus, 3 ones is 3. On the right hand side, x into x square plus 5x. So here 2x square, see, x plus x minus 6x is, I will get minus 5x, right? So bigger number sign, so minus 5x, then comes minus 3, okay, that is equal to, so I am bringing this x square and plus 5x, these two terms left hand side, therefore this will become minus x square and this will become minus 5x equal to 0. Now we will add the like terms. 2x square term is, see here, 2x square minus x square, so 2 minus x square is, I get only x square, right? Then minus 5x, again minus 5x, both have same signs, then we need to add this, we will get minus 10x, then comes minus 3 equal to 0. Since see here, since here we have x square term, therefore this is a quadratic equation. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Similarly, fifth bit. See, what is the fifth bit here? 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Same thing we should do here. First, this one term multiplied by this complete bracket term, 2x into x minus 3. Again, this minus 1 into again the same bracket term, right? That is equal to, here also, x into this complete bracket term, then plus 5 into again this complete bracket term, right? Now we will multiply this. 2x into x is 2x square, right? So similarly 2 3s are 6 minus 6x, here also minus 1 into x is minus x, and here minus into minus will become plus, 1 3s is 3, right? Now on right hand side x square, then again minus x, then 5x plus again 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, right? Now what we should do, we should add the like terms here. 2x square as it is on right, here minus 6x and minus x, total how much? Both have negative signs, therefore I should add these two, but sign will be same, minus 7x plus 3, right? Then I'll bring all these terms left hand side, then what happens? This x square will become minus x square, and here minus x plus 5x, so how much? It will become plus 5x minus x is, you will get plus 4x actually. When you transpose that number left hand side, it will become minus 4x, right? And this also minus 5x, when it comes this side, it will become plus 5, that equal to 0 right hand side. Now we'll simplify this. We'll add the like terms, we'll subtract the like terms, right? 2x square minus x square, how much? X square. 2, suppose x square, if you assume it as pence, 2 pence minus 1 pen. So 2 pence minus 1 pen is only 1 pen, right? And the bigger greater number sign, plus sign is there, therefore x square plus x square. So 7x minus 4x, both have same signs, therefore we will get addition sign, minus 11x. Here 3 plus 5, how much? 8 is equal to 0. So if you observe, this is also a quadratic equation, isn't it? You have x, here also we have x square term. So therefore this is also, yes, quadratic equation, right? So now we'll solve the remaining 3 problems left. So we'll complete that. So before starting the next problem, please, if you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Sixth bit. What is the sixth bit? x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So same way, see here, there is nothing to solve on the left hand side. So I'll write as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, right hand side if you observe, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. We'll make use of that identity. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is 2 square, right? So left hand side as it is, I'll write x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, right hand side x square, 2 2s are 4 minus 4x plus 2 square is 4. Now bring all these three terms left hand side. So probably x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Right. Now if you observe, plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. Right. So you got 3x plus 3x plus 4x total 7x. Plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3. ఒకదానికి ప్లస్ ఒకదానికి మైనస్ ఉంటే you need to subtract, and ఆన్సర్ లో గ్రేటర్ నంబర్ పక్కన సైన్ రాయాలి ఇక్కడ, రైట్? 4 గ్రేటర్ నంబర్ అండ్ సైన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే you don't have any x square term, therefore no, this is not a quadratic equation, right? చలో, now ఇలానే fast గా we'll complete the next bit, that is 6th bit. 6th bit లో ఏముంది, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, now see, here also we need to use one more identity. Which one? A plus b whole cube identity we must use here. So what is the a plus b whole cube identity? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So this identity we make use here. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a square into b అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 plus 3a అంటే x, b square అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 square, right? a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? Then right hand side లో ఉంది equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Chalo, now we'll simplify this. Cube only, 2 cube means how much? 8 plus 2 3s, 3 2s are 6x square, then ikkada kuda 2 square is 4, 3 4s is 12x is equal to, right hand side lo 2x into x square is 2x to the power of 3, right? 2x into x square minus 2x ones are 2x. Finish. Now bring all one side. X cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు x cube ఇక్కడ minus 2x cube, so subtract చేసి ఒకదానికి ప్లస్ ఒకదానికి మైనస్ ఉంటే I should subtract it. What I will get here? minus x cube, అంతే కదా? 2x cube నుంచి ఒక x cube అవుతుంది. Then x square terms ఇక్కడ ఒకటే ఉంది, so write that only plus 6x square. Then comes x terms, plus 12x plus 2x total plus 14x. right? Then comes constant 8 ఒకటి ఉంది plus 8 is equal to 0. If you observe, here we have x cube term, so therefore this is not no, right? No, this is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation అంటే power only 2 ఉండాలి, highest power, right? So cube term వచ్చింది కాబట్టి this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so now we will solve the last bit, right, of this first question. So see, last bit ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube, right? So left hand side lo there is nothing to solve here, so as it is I will write, so x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, right hand side lo if you observe this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So what is the formula of a minus b whole cube? That is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. The identities మీరు అన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దెన్ నేను నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో పాలినామియల్స్ ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను, సో అందులోకి వెళ్ళి మీరు చూసుకోండి. అందులో నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను హౌ టు రిమెంబర్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఫార్ములాస్, రైట్? సో go there and watch those videos, right? So now coming back to the problem, now we'll expand this in this identity form. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, a cube అంటే first x cube, right? So this will become x cube minus b cube minus 3a square. A means here x square, b means here 2 plus 3a means here x, b means here 2 square. That's it. So now ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, x cube minus 8 minus 3 2s are 6x square, right? So plus 2 square is 4, 3 4s is 12x. Okay na? Now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, we'll bring all these terms left hand side. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అట్లానే ఉంటుంది, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube, this will become plus 8, this will become plus 6x square, this will become minus 12x is equal to 0, right? Now we'll add the like terms. X cube plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled, right? So x square terms లో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 4x square ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 6x square, ఒకదానికి ప్లస్ ఒకదానికి మైనస్, కాబట్టి we need to subtract. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది, 6 minus 4 is 2x square plus 2x square. Why? Because greatest number sign, 6 పెద్దది కాబట్టి దాని సైన్, దాని ముందున్న సైన్. Similarly x terms ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం, minus x and here minus 12x, both have negative signs, so we should add those. That will become minus 13x, right? So now constants, 1 plus 1 plus 8, total plus 9 is equal to 0. So that's it. So we have finished this. So you can choose the manaku. So this is also one clearly quadratic equation, right? So x square term ఉంది కాబట్టి yes, therefore this is also one quadratic equation. So please, before ending this video, so once again I am asking you, if you really like this video, మీకు ఏమైనా కొంచెమైనా నాలెడ్జ్ ఈ వీడియోతో వచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, మరి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా ఇది షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఈవెన్ మీరు కమెంట్స్లో నాకు క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా పంపొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్, నేను డెఫినెట్లీ క్లారిఫై దోస్, రైట్? Thank you for watching my video.